Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. So umdlalo weMamelodi Sundowns omusha bafethu Nuno Santos ukhulumile after igame yabo against the Golden Arrows la bashawe khona 1-0. Uthe mix of feelings for yena because bekafuna ukuqala igame yakhe yeMamelodi Sundowns nge-win hayi nge-lose. But ke uthi happy overall ukuthi ukwazile ukudlala kuMamelodi Sundowns. Uthi bazamile ngempela ukuthola i3 points. Uthi team overall izamile ukudlala kahle but yena uthi uyi-team player akusiwo umuntu nje ocabangela yena kuphela but uthi ujabule kakhulu ukuba la eSouth Africa. Uthi obviously ibhola lase-South Africa or South Africa i-different from iPortugal but-ke uyafuna noma ngithi uyafisa ukujabulisa ama-fans overall. Amagama-ke lawa afetha kuSantos, umuntu omusha bamsayine kuMamelodi Sundowns nge-20 million rands from laphana ePortugal Premier Division after a disappointing 1-0 loss to i-Golden Arrows. I mean, obviously itone lakhe simzwile mekhuluma laphana bafethu ukuthi it carries like i-positivity nanokuthi going forward ngempela bazokwazi ukwenza kangcono. Uyabona ukuthi ama-standards a-high ngempela kuye umfowethu ukuthi akwazi ukudeliver laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. I-fan base obviously eMamelodi Sundowns bafethu i-hungry for i-dominance and the new signing iyazama ngempela uku-adapter as quickly as possibly could or can adapt to ibhola lase-South Africa overall ku-different environment. Obviously both on and off the field. Obviously culture yase-South Africa different than yase-Portugal. I mean asiqale la ngokuthi udlalile umfethu simbonile laphana angena second half afakwa laphana. Obviously immediately mengene was carrying ama-expectations are different from ama-fans. I mean usayine ePortugal obviously expect ukuthi adlale adelive ngempela. Sikhumbule ukuthi ugqoka number 10 bafethu uthatha inamba kaLucas Ribeiro, so it's not gonna be easy for him laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns but usibonisile ukuthi why bamnika unumber 10 because it's not just a foreign signing kuphela bafethu but ubuya e-Europe ePortugal ileague ene-reputation enkulu ekudlala boBenfica nabo-FC Porto nabo-Sporting. So because of iMamelodi Sundowns asikho isikhathi ngempela sokuthi bakubhebisithe uloku useklila, asikho ngempela isikhathi salokho but ama-player ajudgwa on impact yabo. If akaphefomanga kahle izolo ama-touches wakhe bewabheda, ama-passes wakhe bewabheda already bebazomscrutinize abantu bathi ayikho indaba yakhe. Sikubonile lokhu likwenzeka last season ku-Arthur Silas, so akukho kusha overall. So against him Golden Arrows bafethu umfethu usibonisile ama-glimpse of equality overall nama-quality turns wakhe, i-vision yakhe, i-composure on the ball, good passer of the ball. Siyabona ngempela ukuthi ibhola lakhe lidevelophe ePortugal nanokuthi-ke the way arida ngakhona igame, the way adlala ngakhona ubaluleke kakhulu ebholeni and uzoba important for iMamelodi Sundowns overall. But ibhola bafethu li-cruel. iMamelodi Sundowns idominatile iposition, wa-createile ama-chance but-ke they walked away with nothing. But asikhulumeni iqiniso Golden Arrows bafethu i-dominatile in terms of create ama-clear chance cut opportunities la bangazi babe 1-on-1 no-Ronwen Williams kawu 3 or 4 ngabe bashaya amagoli amaningi but bahlulekile nabezi Golden Arrows ukuwashaya lawo ma-opportunity noma ukwathatha lawo ma-opportunities. For uSantos obviously ushilo ukuthi mixed feeling ukuthi yes uligqokile ijezi leMamelodi Sundowns for the first time. Siyazi ukuthi ufike eSouth Africa nje a few days ago but-ke already uyibonisile i-potential ku-first game yakhe. Ama-results-ke into ebaluleke kakhulu, ungayibonisa i-potential yakho bafethu but-ke if you don't get ama-results losing is not acceptable bafethu. I mean but-ke masibheka overall i-bigger picture for iMamelodi Sundowns, I think ama-standards are-high kakhulu laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, not just about one player but it's about i-team as a whole. I mean i-benchmark ye-South African football overall for the past decade iMamelodi Sundowns ibuild a-reputation yokuthi ba-super power la South Africa, bawina ama-league titles kawu-8 cabanga, conquering i-Africa. Well, okay, 2016 they conquered it, still with space of 10 years. But they've been chasing i-CAF Champions League since 2016. Last season bafike kuma-finali bashawa i-Pyramid FC, sambona uMayele edominate kuleya final le. But-ke uMikel Cardoso umsebenzi wakhe munye kuphela ukuthi awine i-CAF Champions League, mehluleke kuyiwina and then gone. So masibheka overall to conquer Africa obviously setting the new standards ku-South African football nanokuthi ba-professional kakhulu bona. Already igama labo selikhule kakhulu eziMamelodi Sundowns nalapha ku-FIFA Club World Cup bakwazile ukwenza kangcono. So I mean, for bona, it's just about upping their game and trying to push hard, getting ama-results for iMamelodi Sundowns. So mawumusha laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, especially ubuya laphana e-Europe, i-pressure too much because ama-fans awa-expect ama-excuse. Ama-coaches ademanda i-excellence from wena. I mean, ama-teammates wakho nawo expecta ukuthi udlale kahle immediately because you're coming from the continent of football bafowethu. ePortugal, cabanga iPortugal iproduce obani and bakuphi abantu bakhona. So I mean, nawe ushilo amagama akho ukuthi South Africa obviously ihlukile nePortugal. I mean, obviously-ke adjustment overall, but the coolest thing ukuthi uyayazi English, uyakwazi ukukhuluma English, so it won't be difficult for him to interact nama-teammates wakhe. Well, i-pace of the game, ne-physicality, obviously nokutravel, i-atmosphere ne-weather nazo zonke izinto, i-switch from i-Europe. It's not just about i-rhythm yebhola nje kuphela, but obviously ziningi izinto ezingastopa umuntu ukuthi abe yi-success ebholeni lase-South Africa compared to ibhola lase-Europe. But yeah, igame ayikho easy bafowethu. Ama-games like awekho easy noma kuthiwa udlala kuphi overall. Ama-opponents isikhathi esiningi medlala neMamelodi Sundowns ayazama ngempela ukuphefoma kahle kakhulu, njengoba sibona ilizwe le-Golden Arrows iphefoma kahle kakhulu. So Mamelodi Sundowns, they can obviously they can feel the pain for now, but and try and rebuild again, like build the momentum through the players ukuthi bakwazi ukudlala kahle kuma-match lawazayo. Mfethu, I'm excited to see uNuno Santos. What a player bafowethu. Player eline-flair, eline-excitement, eline-everything ongayicabanga nje playeni. Ugood laphana as i-number 10. Good pass off the ball njengoba bengishilo bafowethu. Yeah, I mean, singabi hashi kakhulu. iMamelodi Sundowns obviously ithenge uSantos, imthenganga nje ngephutha, but iMamelodi Sundowns iyawazi ama-player wafunayo, wa-identifyile ama-player wafunayo, bayalazi iquality lakhe umfowethu njengoba ezi-South Africa overall. I mean, laphana inside the field of play as a-midfielder, creative kakhulu, ability yakhe ku-unlock ama-defenders ngama-clever passes wakhe. European experience izokwazi ukumsiza kakhulu laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns, because of i-quality yakhe, angaba one of the weapons for iMamelodi Sundowns kuma-tight games, cause akasabulutho bafowethu. Yabona i-development ibaluleke kakhulu, uyambona umuntu o-develop to the highest level, yinto esibonise yona lo mdlali izolo overall. Yeah man, sobona kulama game alandelayo ukuthi bazodlala kanjani, noma he will up his game, but nama-teammates wakhe kumele akwazi ukumatcha. I'm understanding nanokuthi udlala kanjani, siyazi ukuthi it's still early days zakhe eSouth Africa, but they have to keep pushing and get better and greater. The big prize obviously i-CAF Champions League against i-Golden Arrows. Usibonisile kancane umfethu ukuthi ugodi, but imagine if uzocombine nolokhunjana no-Rainers. uRainers, I don't know what's happening with him because angimbonanga izolo. But-ke sithembe ukuthi uzokwazi ukukhonektha kahle the best striker for iMamelodi Sundowns at the moment, bakwazi ukuba in sync nokunikana amabhola kahle, ukumphasa kahle umfowethu. But iqiniso ukuthi ulokhunjana uSantos ufika kuMamelodi Sundowns enama-superstars already. I mean, cabanga ngabo-Alendo Mudau bafowethu, aboMudiba, Mokoena, so ama-superstars ama-superstars vele. But-ke it's not just the team eshort of i-talent, bangakwazi ngempela ukumsiza ukuthi ajele fast, and then mabangakwazi ukuba ne-chemistry nje right overall, bazi ama-strength nama-weaknesses, bazi ukuthi bazodlalisana kanjani overall. Chemistry-ke sometimes ithatha isikhathi ukuthi abantu babe in sync, but-ke ama-moments ama-passes anga-connect overall, ama-run bangawa-anticipate ama-pass, but ku-normal. But ku-Sundowns-ke normally it's not good enough bafowethu. Mamelodi Sundowns kufuna ama-results. I was listening to i-podcast yabo le DJ Naves or ubani lo opresenter lapha, bekhuluma ukuthi for bona i-draw ifana ne-loss kubo, so ama-standards waba high kakhulu. Obviously kumele a-adjust to ukutravela, lese ukudlala ePolokwane, 1 week ukudlala eThekwini, eCape Town, aye eNorth Africa, sobona ukuthi uzokwazi uku-adapter to i-weather yase-Africa nanokuthi kadlale kahle kakhulu. Ube ne-message-ke kuma-fans bafowethu, uthe uyafuna ukuletha injabulo kuma-fans weMamelodi Sundowns mayiloke isizini iqhubeka overall. I mean, ama-supporters yinto afuna ukuyizwa vele ukuthi khona umuntu ofuna ukuba-represent-a kahle without ama-excuses, obonisa i-passion ne-commitment for ama-results we-team overall. uSantos kubonakala ngathi uya-understand-a ukuthi i-position yakhe laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns uyi-team player, akasiyi-star, and then i-humility into e-important kakhulu. I-patience-ke kuMamelodi Sundowns izodingeka ukuthi akwazi ukuba i-success egudi kuMamelodi Sundowns, because ngeke avele nje afake ku-starting 11, but esikubonile, I think angadeserve ukudlala ku-starting 11, but i-midfield iMamelodi Sundowns bafethu, hhayi kunzima laphana. Asithi bonke bafithi, yabona kuzoba nzima kangakanani. Kuzoba yi-headache ngempela for ama-coaches or uMiguel Cardoso. But yes, i-main story singakhohlwa ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns idliwe, but i-Golden Arrows yayi-deserve i-credit bafethu. Bebe-organized, discipline, and bayithole chance. Bebangekho too clinical, because Golden Arrows, they could have easily scored around 3 goals. They got ama-chances amakhulu, but Peterson laphana emuva ukwazile ukukhipha iscore sibe sincane, sibe respectable, kusho i-commentator laphana. Remember when I saw when they missed ngama-last minute. But-ke indlela kaNuno Santos yinde kakhulu laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, kuzoba nzima, but i-first chapter nje ukuthi ama-opportunities wakhe kumele lokhu awathola, akwazi ukuba highly influential kuma-game, and abe yi-fan favourite. I-real test-ke yakhe kuba ukudlala kuma-game amakhulu against Pirates, Chiefs naku-CAF Champions League, ukuthi uzodiliva na kulawo ma-game adinga i-physique e-serious, hhayi indaba yokudlala bafowethu. Yeah, but-ke ya sesibambelana bafethu ezamanje. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe bafethu, si-making sure ukuthi sifika ku-15,000 subscribers. Danko.